Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Now I am going to explain the chapter Carbon and Compounds, that is for class 10. Now here in part 13A I have explained saturated hydrocarbon and the nomenclature of alkane, because saturated hydrocarbon, that is main example is alkane. Alkane contains single bond, alkane also called paraffin, and now here the nomenclature of alkane explained in the part 13A. In 13B, here I am going to explain saturated hydrocarbon alkane, and here isomerism of alkane. But when you go to higher class, 11th and 12th class, you can know so many type of isomerisms are there, and so many definitions are, so many type of examples are there. Now at that time you will clear about the isomerism, but in 10th class you know only by little here what is meant by isomerism and 2-3 examples of isomerism. Now in isomerism means same molecular formula. You know what is molecular formula? There should be general formula by putting n equal to 1 methane, n equal to ethane, like this. Now same molecular formula but different arrangement of atoms. How you can arrange the atoms in the carbon, surrounding the carbon, following the rule of 4 valency of carbon. Now when you go to methane, there is no isomerism takes place. In ethane also there is no isomerism. Also in propane also there is no isomerism. That means methane, ethane, propane never show any isomerism. But when you come to butane, what is the butane? C4H10. What is the butane? C4H10. Now what is the main nomenclature here? CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. First I told first CH3, last CH3, in middle what is the remaining 2 times CH2. So this is called N-butane or normal butane, or you can write also simply butane. Normal butane, that is N-butane, you can write N-butane or you can write simply butane. Now this is the out of 2 isomerism, this is one isomerism, that is N-butane. Next is CH3, CH above CH3 and side also one CH3. See, when I have written the structure, whether the structure is correct or not, how can you see? CH3, 1 hydrogen, 1 bond. 3 hydrogen means 3 bond and 1 4. This carbon is satisfied. This carbon is satisfied. Similarly, here this carbon, see, 1 hydrogen, 1 bond, this is 2, 3, 4. This carbon is satisfied, and this carbon 3 and 1, 4. And here CH3, here also satisfied. Now you can observe also the CH3 in between this CH3, this in the middle. In middle you can name it 1, 2, 3. Naming also it is your choice. But since in the middle, you can write from here or you can write from here. Here there is so many rules for the nomenclature of hydrocarbon, but when you go to higher class, that is 11th and 12th, you can learn easily. But now here it is not so much necessary. Only remember 1, 2, 3 in 2 position, this is methyl group. What is meant by methyl group? That is one called alkyl. Methyl means alkyl. What is alkyl? The formula CnH2n plus 1. What is the alkane formula? CnH2n plus 2. That means 1 hydrogen less. So see, alkane changes to alkane, that is CnH2n plus 2. So example, let's CH4, 1 hydrogen less, it changes to CH3. But remember, CH4 alkane is a compound, but CH3 is not a compound, it is a part of the compound. That is why here I have put 1 bond, because it is a part of the compound, it should join to the main compound. That is why CH4 methane and this is methyl. Similarly, methane, when 1 hydrogen lose, it changes to methyl. When ethane, 1 hydrogen lose, it comes to ethyl. Propyl, butyl, like this it will change. That means alkane when lose 1 hydrogen, that is called alkyl. Now only remember about methane and methyl, and after that you will see in higher class. Now here this is methyl. Here I have clear. This is methyl. Methyl is attached to this carbon. Which carbon? Second carbon. Number 2 carbon. So what is the name? 2-methyl propane. This is called IPS name. What is the IPS name? 2-methyl propane. Then what is the common name? Common name, what is difference between common name and IPS name? Common name generally given by the according to this that area and according to the scientist, according to environment, all the things depend on that. And so a common name is only particular area, but IPS name, that is international name. Everyone should know what is the IPS name. Similarly, common name also one should know, but it belongs to that particular area name. So it is isobutane. Isobutane. When isobutane you will write, you will count all the carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, when iso word you will use, you will count all the carbons. When IPS name you use, and you will count on the long chain. Which is the long chain? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 the long chain. In long chain of 3 carbon, in 2 carbon there is a methyl group. In 2 carbon there is a methyl group. So 2-methyl propane. When you write 2-methyl propane, after digit you put hyphen. Then after that you put a capital letter. Remember, this is the rule, main rule here. And what rules necessary I can say, but what are not necessary you will learn in higher class. 2 hyphen M capital methyl. After methyl there is no gap and there is no capital. So methyl propane. What is name? 2-methyl propane. Next I will proceed to isomerism of pentane and hexane. That much sufficient for 10th class. Isomerism of butane you know very well. Now you will see isomerism of pentane. What is pentane formula? C5H12, that is pentane. It is one alkane containing how many carbon? 5 carbon. Then what are the possible isomerism here? First is long chain, simply long chain containing how many carbons? 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it is called N-pentane, mean normal pentane. You can write also simply pentane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then come to number 2. Number 2, that one, what is that? CS3, CH3, CH2, CH3. That means here all valency of carbon satisfied. I told now before here, this group is called methyl. What is the group? If CH3 group, then it is called methyl. And here, if it is C2H5 group, that is called ethyl group. So here it is methyl group. Then here what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I think the question may arise in your mind, why I have counted 1, 2, not 1, 2, 3, 4. I have counted 1, 2. Why? Because the rule is there, this is called substituent group. Above or below what is there, that is called substituent group. If substituent group is there, when you count, which side is nearer to end? Which side is nearer to end? Here see, this is nearer to end or this is nearer to end. This substituent group, which side is near to end? This side is near to end because only 1 carbon, and here 1, 2 carbon. So this side is near to end. So which side is near to end? We will count. We will start count from there. 1, 2. Are you clear? The substituent group present which side near to the end, that is counted as number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2-methyl. What is the common name? Isopentane. This group is called iso. What is this group? CH3. Remember, CH3 and CCH3, and here this is called CH3. Here CH is there. You can write CH and here. Now this group is called iso group. Iso group means CH3, CH, CH3. So this group here. This is the iso group. So how many total carbon? 5 carbon. So it is isopentane. Are you clear? If iso group is there, you will count total carbon, and there what is that alkane you will put isopentane. It is 2-methyl butane, 2 position methyl, and here there is no gap, and 2 after 2 there is a hyphen, it is rule, and after that the letters should be capital, and after that there is no gap, there is no capital. Next, third one you see CH3 C CH3 CH3 CH3. That means you count 1 2 3 4, the carbon satisfied, 3 1 4 3 1 4 3 1 4 3 1 4. That means all the carbon are satisfied by 4 valency. Then what is the name? The name, common name you should remember. I told for common name there is no rule and regulation, only basing on that area or basing on that any important point this is counted. Neopentane. Neo means rounded. So here CH3 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 CH3. Here what is the IPSC name? Now you can write 1 2 3. In 2 position there are 2 methyl group. See, remember, in 2 positions there are 2 methyl group, above and below. Above and below. So what is the name? 2 2 2 2 dimethyl. 2 2 means position. 2 में position है, in 2 also position and 2 also position. So 2 2 dimethyl, and house itself propane. 1 2 3. This is the main house. The longest carbon is the main house. In main house, in 2 position, above 1 CH3, below 1 CH3, that is a 2 2 dimethyl. What is long chain? 3 carbon, propane. See here, 2 comma, that is rule, hyphen rule, capital rule, and after that there is no capital, there is no gap. Then we will proceed to hexane. Isomerism of butane, isomerism of pentane, already I have explained. Now we will see isomerism of hexane. Now what is the formula of hexane? C6H14. Why? Because the formula is CnH2n plus 2. So 12 plus 2, 14. So this is hexane. So this is the one isomerism number 1. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. First CH3, last CH3, in middle 4 times CH2. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that is called N-hexane. You can find the formula is C6H14. Second one is 1 CH3 group in second position as substituent. As substituent means it is tossed to this carbon. So here what happens? CH3, CH3, and now write correctly. So CH3, and here this is continuous CH2, CH2, CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I told the substituent which side nearer to N, that is counted first. If this side is nearer, 1, 2, 2 position methyl group. And what is the number? 5 number carbon. So here when iso word used for common name, total carbon you will put. Iso word for total carbon. Isohexane. But IPSC name 2 methyl, 2 after 2 there is a hyphen, methyl, and total carbon long chain, that is 5. So pentane. Again see 2 methyl pentane, and here what is common name? Isohexane. Then come to this one. In second position, a substituent above 1 CH3 and below also 1 CH3. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon satisfied. And you can check all the carbon satisfied. And 1, 2, 3, 4. If you write this one, 1, 2, 3, it is not nearer to N. This side is nearer to N. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in 2 position CH3, in 2 position also other CH3. So 2, 2 times. Dimethyl. 2 times position is 2, 2, and time is 2, means dimethyl butane. And see 1, 2, 3, 4 butane. So long chain butane, 2 methyl dimethyl, position 2, 2, 2. 2, 2 dimethyl butane. And here 1, 2, 3, 4. See, from this side nearer to end, so 1, 2, in 2 also CH3, in 3 also CH3, in 2 position CH3, in 3 position CH3. How many CH3? Dimethyl. CH3 means methyl, and 2 times dimethyl. And what are the position? 2, 3. 2, 3 dimethyl butane. I hope it is clear. Butane is the long chain, 2 times methyl dimethyl, 2, 3 position 2, 3, and starting D capital. And here this one, the long chain 5 carbon. If you count this side 1, 2, 3, if you count this side 1, 2, 3, both sides same, you can count left side, you can count right side, both are correct. So 3 position methyl, what is the name? 3 methyl pentane, 3 hyphen methyl pentane. In methyl, M is the capital. I hope it is clear. Hexane having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 isomerism. First one N-hexane. Second one isohexane, because isohexane because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and this 6. So hexane. IPS name 2 position methyl, 2 methyl pentane. This one 2 position 2 methyl, 2, 2 dimethyl butane, 2, 3 dimethyl butane. It is 2, 2 dimethyl, it is 2, 2, 3 dimethyl. And here in 3 position methyl, 3 methyl pentane. I hope the isomerism in butane, pentane, hexane clear, and I believe you will subscribe my channel BL Das Short and Sweet in Chemistry. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks again to all.